Here are some notable attractions or monuments in each of these Indian cities. Ahmedabad. Sabarmati Ashram, associated with Mahatma Gandhi. This peaceful ashram served as his residence and is now a museum. Sidi Sayyad Mosque, known for its intricate stone lattice screens or jalis, particularly the famous Sidi Sayyad Ki Jali. Agra. Taj Mahal, one of the most iconic monuments in the world. This white marble mausoleum was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Agra Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This red sandstone fort complex houses palaces, mosques, and gardens. Kochi. Mattancherry Palace, also known as the Dutch Palace. This museum showcases Kerala's rich cultural heritage through its murals, artifacts, and architecture. Fort Kochi, famous for its colonial-era buildings, historic churches, and the iconic Chinese fishing nets along the waterfront. Mumbai. Gateway of India, a historic monument and popular tourist attraction overlooking the Arabian Sea, built to commemorate the landing of King George V and Queen Mary. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Mumbai's most iconic landmarks, known for its Victorian Gothic architecture. New Delhi. India Gate, a war memorial dedicated to soldiers of the Indian Army who died in World War I, with an eternal flame and Amar Jawan Jyoti. Qutub Minar, the tallest brick minaret in the world, built in the 12th century and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Chennai. Marina Beach, one of the longest urban beaches in the world, popular for its sandy shores and iconic landmarks like the lighthouse. Kaplishwarar Temple, a historic Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, known for its Dravidian architecture and vibrant festivals. Pune. Shaniwar Wada, a historic fortification and palace built by the Peshwas in the 18th century, known for its architectural grandeur and historical significance. Aga Khan Palace, a memorial to Mahatma Gandhi, where he and other freedom fighters were interned during the Quit India movement. Jaipur. Hawa Mahal, also known as the Palace of Winds, this iconic pink sandstone structure features intricate lattice windows and was built for the royal women to observe street festivals. Hawa Mahal, also known as the Palace of Winds, this iconic pink sandstone structure features intricate lattice windows and was built for the royal women to observe street festivals. Hyderabad. Charminar, an iconic monument and mosque with 4 grand arches, built in 1591 by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah. Golconda Fort, a majestic fortress known for its impressive architecture, acoustic system, and breathtaking views of the city. These cities boast a rich cultural heritage and offer a diverse array of attractions that showcase India's history, architecture, and vibrant culture.